In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Word document on your iPhone. So you can see in my files here, I have this Word document and I'm going to show you how we can edit this on our iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the App Store on your phone. And then using the search box, we need to type in Google Docs and hit search. Now, if you don't already have the Google Docs application installed, then just go and install it now to your device and then we can press open. Now, your document may automatically appear in this list of files here. If you can't see it, then what you can do is just head over to the Files app on your phone, locate the Word document that you're trying to edit, and then click on the share icon in the bottom left-hand side. Scroll across these list of applications and select more. And then from the suggestions, we just need to locate Docs and click on this. Then from here, select Save to Drive, and that's going to automatically open up this Word document. And now if we click on the pencil icon in the bottom right-hand side, you can see we can go ahead and edit and make changes to this document. Once you're finished, simply click on the tick icon in the top left-hand side. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.